7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Crafting with Cos. I'm Cos, and today I'm going to be doing some DIY room decor accessory, and I'm going to be making a flower pattern diamond canvas. Say that 5 times. Anyways, so I'm going to be doing a canvas that you can use to accessorize any wall. It's good for a wall that is in a room that is full of color, or also can be in a room that has a lot of natural colors, and it can be your pop of color. So I'm going to be kind of emulating a canvas that I seen in one of my Marshall store visits that I said, you know, it seemed pretty simple, seemed like something that I would be able to achieve. I'm going to do a simple twist on it, and I'm going to actually, instead of just keeping the canvas bare and white, I'm going to coat the canvas using some pearl glaze to kind of play off of the colored pattern textured paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, which it actually is really pretty, and it has like some glitter aspects to it too. So I'm not 100% sure if it's going to show up on camera as accurate as it shows up in person. So I also created a template for the diamond pattern that is a printable handout on my blog that I will go ahead and link in the description box below at craftingwithcos.com. So if you want to try this project out, then you already have an easy template so you can get it done a lot easier. But with all of that being said, let's go ahead and let's get right started with the materials that we will use for this project.